Lazy pool, guys. Nice ocean view. Alright, today guys, the camera might be shaky today because I'm using my GoPro today. I'm going to take a quick dip in the ocean. Over here we call it beach. In Jamaica we don't go a beach. Everybody else in the world say ocean. But yeah, that's the lazy pool right there. That's on the kids side, so you'll see a lot of kids down here. And we got the beach, / ocean. That's where we're heading, to the beach. Things might out of focus. This camera is a little small camera, so it doesn't really have any screen on it. I can't really see what I'm filming. I'm just holding it on me, pretty much. Yesterday I was just complaining about them not painting up the gazebo out there and maintaining. I saw someone out there painting the gazebo now. So I guess they're doing a little bit of maintenance, but they don't do it, you know, every week, every day. Just when it gets bad, then they do their maintenance. But yeah, waiting on the elevator. And then this camera, it doesn't have any image stabilization, so it's shaky, right? So bear with me. Going down to the first floor. I'll get some coffee and then head to the beach. Going down. Second floor. Got my coffee. That's it right there on the beach. Nobody over here yet. I'll go down that side. Yeah, man.
First day, second day, third day, last day.
I don't even know. I'm there a while now. Yeah, man, I'm not visit, so I'm a tourist too. I'm a tourist, brother. Yo, the guy there thought I was a tourist, yo. Hold on. Yeah. Man say, how long me there? Yeah, man, so you have a worker over there, so now come and say, you doing alright, bro? You know, he thought I was like American. This when me say, yeah, man, no, he pretty much asked how long I'm here, first day, second day. So I said, I don't really know how long I'm there. The man said, man, go and buy your business, but I like the accent there. So that was fun, that fun. To the beach there. As we said, this camera not even clean the beach properly. Another little section of them supposed to clean it out and make it nice and sandy, you know. Sure you say the hotel they not really care about nothing. They look at be a black spot seaweed and them thing there. They in the water. Find a little sandy area still. Now complain, you know. Water kind of rough, but nice, it's warm, you know, nice and warm. I hope it's clear underneath them, I can see. Check and make sure I record, guys. Yesterday, I film hotel. I record hotel and I never pressed the record button. The mic was running. The mic was running and the mic was recording, but no video was recording. I kinda never get some footage yesterday. But he come back and redo it still, re-film it. But you know, it's not the same because when I record, I pretty much record live, like whatever the topic is, whatever I pass by, that's what I record, you know. So pretty much whatever I spoke about in the morning while I was vlogging that wasn't recording, I forgot what I was talking about, so I couldn't come back and re-talk, talk over all of them something over it. Anyhow, nice day in the water. Small little cove, like a small beach cove. Not amazing. They have like one cove here for this side and then have another cove for the other side for the kids side, over on the other side. That's about it. Go too far, guys. I don't want my hair get wet, you know. Look, some little piper, them call them piper down here. Them look like some little swordfish. I don't know what them call them elsewhere in the world, but wonder at this elsewhere. Some little long, pointed nose fish look like swordfish. Wonder at this. GoPro good for water only. You know them get real hot, so if you have them a film in the water, them kind of stay cool. Pretty much that's the only purpose. GoPro really good for action stuff and it's rugged, but other than that, they use the Pocket 3 when we're on land, which is not waterproof, and it's okay. Different cameras for different. So yeah, that's the adult side right here. Pretty much we're staying in this bit. Yeah, guys. I'm out up here. Still have to travel, go back home. So if it pull up, I get it ready. Yeah, so my thing with the hotel, it's let me say, it's a hotel where, to be honest, I'm not come because you don't know where I'll get when you come back. You might come back and the experience worse than this. Like hold on, wipe off the screen. So like I already do this hotel, but you know, if I come back to Jamaica, I would find a different hotel. but the experience here was not. I mean, others might come and enjoy it, and it was good for them, but my experience is just a older, well, it's only 4 year old, but it seemed like a hotel that's been here like 10 years, 20 years. That's how the decor is looked old. But somewhere built in 2019, I don't understand how it looked this old. I guess it's the colors with it, dark green. You know, they don't do any maintenance on the hotel here. It needs painting, paint stripping off, all sorts of stuff. Moldings missing, the rooms are, you know, damaged and poorly repaired. The hallways have this outdated dark green. I know they're trying to go with the ocean theme, so you know, I don't know where the dark green came from. On the outside section it's nice and white, you know, white, everything with black and white theme, but in the hallways they got some ugly colors, so it doesn't seem new, it makes it seem old, you know. Apart from that, they use a lot of young staff, like super young staff, teenagers to early 21. Not much older staff there. Like the managers are, so I think they're older. The guys the supervisors who wear white shirts and stuff like that. But it's because they're young, they're not experienced, right? So a lot of times you ask them about something, they don't have an answer, you know. If you have an issue, they don't know how to correct it properly. So they're just running on a staff full of kids, pretty much. That's what it is. The older folks is actually the supervisors, and I don't think they're doing a good job, to be honest. As I said, when I came here on Saturday, they gave us armbands right here for the keys for the doors, right? So they gave us that armband, and pretty much it never worked, right? For the room that they gave us, it never worked. Saturday whole day we've been back and forth. They reprogram it, go up there, they send someone out. Every time we go to the room, it doesn't work. So what we end up did was, you know, went down there, complained, spoke to a manager and told him, hey, this is not acceptable, and I really don't want to start, you know, cursing, so you got to do something right now. So what she did was request for a room change, so we had to wait till 4 to check in the following day. So we've been locked out. Every time I gotta get somebody to open the room. From Saturday we checked in all the way to the next evening 4, right? So that alone is a bad experience right here. They didn't deal with that matter too good. So we're highly, you know, upset about that. So that alone is gonna make me not want to come back here, right? Based on how they handle it. So that was the first issue. Really and truly, the other issues is not really issues. The rooms was dirty. That's an issue as well. That room that we got, it wasn't clean. It just smelled, and the counters had water. The windows was dirty. How can you have a view of the pool or the garden area or the beach and the windows are dirty? Like literally smudged, like somebody used a dirty rag and left smear marks all over the window. That's the first thing you should clean, the windows, right? And the bathrooms and countertops, stuff like that. If it's dusty, you know, you can live with that if it's dusty. But if it's dirty, watermarks and all of that, then that's unacceptable for any hotel or any accommodations, right? So, you know, that's what we've been facing in this hotel. So I don't recommend it. Online it says 5 stars. Not, to me it's like a 3. The food, they got a lot of restaurants. I think it's like 10 to 14 restaurants all over the property, mostly in the front. The food is pretty much, it's okay. It's not, you know, depends on what you're eating. Some of it is, you know, good. We went to the steakhouse. I don't eat meat, but you know, they said the steak was good, whoever had it. the salmon that I had, it was just basic. It was just regular salmon with broccoli. That's the only thing they had. So the other restaurants, we tried most of them. Today we're gonna go to the Italian restaurant, so we'll see how that is. The buffets, you can't lose with the buffet. You have a lot of choices. So if you don't like something, just grab something else. You know. Drinks, I gotta say, they have drinks non-stop. They're never out of rum. If you like to drink rum, so rum punch, rum, all different, mid-grade liquor, top shelf liquor, you gotta pay for it. But most of what you drink is gonna be available at any bar. So you could drink 24 hours while you're here. So, for the people who love to drink, that's it's okay here. So I guess it could be a good time. There's not much to do. They have excursion stuff over there, like people that say, yo, we'll wash off the saltness, whatever curse we have in a foreign there. In a foreign, I should have say, we come to Jamaica, come wash off the saltness in the sea, get rid of some crosses. Yeah, man. Sometimes you have to take a little dip and cleanse your body, Salt water good. Salt water. Wash off all of the crosses off of you. But yeah, man. It's nice. When you come back and visit Jamaica and them places, it make you want to move here. Trick you, because you're there on the resort, you get food, everything, but if you live here, it's crazy. Don't make Jamaica and the tourism and them thing, it's still rough out here, I talked to the lifeguard guy yesterday, and him say he make only 250 US he make every 2 weeks. So every fortnight I can call it out here. He only make 250 US every 2 weeks. So you guys were there foreign better be grateful for what you make, because guys out here, they work 8 hours or more a day, 5 days a week, only make $250. Someone will say, yeah, them can live on that because it's cheap out here. No, it's not. The money are working now on tourist area where everything, the price is hiked up. So how them for live on $250 a week when them have to buy the same hiked up price items where them work. So it's not pan out, But a dollar in a country is a dollar in a country, because in America you might make thousands of dollars in a 2 week, but all of it go back out. You see me I say? So if you make $2,000 in a 2 week, or even $1,500 in a 2 week in the US, all that $1,500 gone back. The cheapest rent for apartment right now probably about anywhere $1,500, $1,800, $2,000, depends on which part you're there. For a little 2-bedroom apartment. So if you make $3,000 a month, all of that gone back into bills, and rent, So a dollar in a country is a dollar. Them get paid less here, but them pay if you live less. But it's still not pan out, it's way below, what I say? Below average. $250 is nothing in 2 weeks. That means you only make $500 a month. When can do that if you work it out, Man, if you go eat canned beef and mackerel and breadfruit off a tree every day, you can't even eat out a restaurant. It's so funny because that guy yesterday, he was telling me it was his birthday and he never treat himself, He live at Kingston, so him come in these areas just for work. But him say when him come, say him treat himself, and not even that him can afford to treat himself. He lend somebody a money, him say. So him a call the brother to give him back him money so that him can, treat himself on his birthday. Him work on his birthday. And him said the man hide him. I hide him out, So at the end of the day, it's rough for them, $500 a month slip, even in Jamaica, because we pay so much for rent, more than, half of that gone. So, or more than half. Jamaica either. But yeah, man, we're there. I'm about to go to wash up. I get a rum to go and drink. Then I will start lunchtime by 11. What? I'm going to my mouth though. Yeah. I'm going to start lunch by 11. So, I go drink a rum and wait for lunchtime, get something to eat, come back and chill on the beach. You see me? So, oh yeah, as I say, I'm not stressed to come to Jamaica, whether it's here or somewhere else, choose a hotel and come support. You know? Yes, I'm a born and grow half of my life, so Jamaica nice, yeah man, despite all of the issues we hear me and talk about, gonna still come, you know. I just nitpick me, and I gonna know the real thing, but when I say I don't know to come. You might come and find a better experience, you know, way better experience. And here, as we say here, you might come and get lucky and have a great time. My nitpicking, I don't mind that nitpicking on something, but you know, come see me and experience it when I tell you. So you have a lot of people here coming back to here. So, you know, a lot of repeat customers coming back here as well. On the thing I record because I have a tendency to not press record. Hold on. Yeah, it's a record, guys. Get a rum. Well, go. See him some virgin a while ago say, yo, me not like the accent, go on where I go, yeah, man.
You boy, eh?
Again, another employee come up. What's going on, bro? How's it going? Oh, you know, ready for it. I guess it's a cameraman. But when me say, yeah, man, what go on? Everything the man say, eh? Yeah, me have to go cut off right just some music up there. Excuse me though guys, the camera is shaky, so bear with me.